Hello. Hi, Radhe Radhe.
Yes, Jai Shri Radhe. Hello, ma'am. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm great. How about you?
Yes, I'm also great. So, okay, first introduce yourself a little bit.
Okay. My name is Pooja Sahu. My name is Pooja Sahu, and I have passed the 10th CBSE board in 2011 from Delhi, and as well as some basic courses I have done, and as well as I am working English speaking, practicing. Yeah, that's
Oh,
is all.
that's really great. So, ma'am, okay, today I'm going to make you rapid fire related present action. It could be negative, interrogative, and positive. ठीक है,
Yes.
मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठती हूँ.
I get up early in the morning, 6 a.m.
क्या मेरी मॉम सुबह 6 बजे उठती है?
Does my mom get up early in the morning, 6 o'clock?
मेरी मॉम मार्केट नहीं जाती हैं.
My mom doesn't go to market.
मैं कॉलेज नहीं जाता हूँ.
I don't go to college.
वे लोग यहाँ नहीं आते हैं.
They do not come here.
They do not come here. क्या वे लोग आपसे बात करते हैं?
Do they talk with you?
मैं चाय नहीं पीती हूँ.
I don't have tea.
मेरा भाई स्कूल जाता है.
My brother goes to school.
क्या आपकी मॉम कपड़े धोती हैं?
Does your mom wash your clothes?
मेरे डैड ऑफिस जाते हैं.
My father goes to office.
गोज़ टू ऑफिस है. मेरा दोस्त मुझसे बात करता है.
My friend talk to me. Talks to me.
टॉक्स टू मी. मेरी सिस्टर टीवी देखती है.
My sister watches TV.
मेरी मॉम खाना पकाती हैं.
My mom makes food.
करेक्ट. ठीक है, ये एक्शन था. अब मैं डेली रूटीन पूछूंगा थर्ड पर्सन का. ओके. मेरा भाई सुबह 7 बजे उठता है.
My brother wakes up early in the morning at 7 o'clock.
ठीक है, उसके बाद वो फ्रेश हो जाता है.
Then he freshen up.
He gets freshen up,
He gets fresh up.
freshen up. उसके बाद वो पार्क जाता है.
After that he goes to park.
वो कुछ देर एक्सरसाइज करता है पार्क में.
He do yeah he does he does exercise.
He does or takes, both you can use.
He does exercises, some exercise.
He does some exercise, okay, in the park. आधे घंटे बाद वो घर आता है.
After half an hour he come to home back.
Comes home.
Okay, he comes back to home.
To home नहीं, he comes back home.
He comes back home. Sorry.
Okay. फिर वो शावर लेता है.
He takes shower.
उसके बाद वो ब्रेकफास्ट करता है.
After that, he have breakfast.
अच्छा, he have breakfast, ये थर्ड पर्सन है, थर्ड पर्सन.
He
तो
takes
have
breakfast.
takes बोल सकते हो या has बोल सकते हो. वैसे has लगाते हैं लोग, लेकिन कोई सिंगुलर के लिए have नहीं लगाता, या तो takes बोलो या has बोलो.
Okay, but खाने के लिए तो have यूज करते हैं ना, आई थिंक.
प्लूरल के लिए, प्लूरल के लिए.
प्लूरल के लिए. Okay, he takes breakfast.
शायद बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होगा कि हैव, अच्छा वो प्लूरल के लिए हैव लगाते हैं खाने, मतलब कि उसमें टहलने के लिए, खाने के लिए, बैठने के लिए बहुत सारे यूज हैं हैव के, लेकिन वो अभी तक प्लूरल में लगा रहे थे. सिंगुलर के लिए आप हैव नहीं लगा सकते, आप हैज लगा सकते हो. ठीक है.
Okay, I got.
नहीं तो आराम से सिंपल टेक्स बोलो. ठीक है. फिर वो ब्रेकफास्ट करता है.
After that, he takes breakfast.
फिर वो कॉलेज चला जाता है.
Then he goes to college.
कॉलेज में वो 3 घंटे पढ़ाई करता है.
He studies
4
for 3
hours.
hours. 3 hours.
शाम 3 बजे घर आता है.
After that, he comes 3 o'clock.
3 PM, और वो थोड़ी देर आराम करता है.
After that, he takes some rest.
फिर वो चाय पीता है.
Then he takes tea.
थोड़ी देर वो टीवी देखता है.
He watches TV some time, a few time.
For some time. फिर वो अपने दोस्त के घर जाता है.
Repeat.
फिर वो अपने दोस्त के घर जाता है.
फिर अपने दोस्त
के घर जाता है.
Okay, then he goes to his friend's house.
वहां वो अपने दोस्त के साथ खेलता है.
He plays with the friends. He plays he plays with the friends his home. His friend's home.
Yeah, he plays with his friend for some time at his friend's home. Okay. फिर वो घर आ जाता है.
Then he comes to home.
फिर वो पढ़ने लगता है.
Then he starts study.
और वो 9 बजे तक पढ़ता रहता है.
He पढ़ता रहता है. He keeps study 9 o'clock.
Till 9 o'clock. ठीक है.
Till 9.
9 बजे वो डिनर करता है.
He takes a dinner 9 o'clock या 9 PM.
फिर वो बेड चला जाता है.
Okay, bed. Then after that he goes to bed.
और सो जाता है.
And he sleeps.
Okay. If you want, I can make any plural, like plural daily routine.
Okay, you can ask.
ठीक है. मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ.
I get up early in the morning 6 o'clock.
मैं फ्रेश होता हूँ.
I get freshen up.
Yes. फिर मैं शावर लेता हूँ.
And then I take shower. I take shower.
फिर मैं किचन में जाता हूँ.
Then I go to kitchen. Yeah, I enter the kitchen.
फिर मैं नाश्ता बनाता हूँ.
And I make नाश्ता, breakfast.
मैं सारे फैमिली वालों को ब्रेकफास्ट देता हूँ.
I serve all my friends, all my members.
I serve breakfast to all my family members.
Okay, I serve breakfast my all family member.
To my family members.
To my family member.
फिर आधे घंटे के बाद मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करती हूँ.
After half an hours, I take a breakfast.
उसके बाद मैं कपड़े धोती हूँ.
Then I wash clothes.
बर्तन धोती हूँ, कुछ बर्तन धोती हूँ.
Then I some doing dishes. Do dishes.
पूरा घर साफ करती हूँ.
I clean the house.
फिर मैं लंच बनाती हूँ.
And I make lunch.
फिर मैं लंच करती हूँ.
Then I take lunch.
फिर मैं थोड़ी देर रेस्ट करती हूँ.
Then I get some rest.
शाम को मैं बाजार जाती हूँ.
Then I go to market in evening.
और मैं कुछ सब्जियां खरीदती हूँ.
And some vegetable purchase.
अगर पैसे लगाना चाहे तो some vegetables are purchased. नहीं तो I purchase some vegetables from the market. Okay. फिर
Some
मैं
vegetables purchase from market.
फिर मैं घर आती हूँ.
Then I come back home.
फिर मैं चाय बनाती हूँ.
Then I make tea.
फिर मैं चाय पीती हूँ.
I take tea.
फिर उसके बाद मैं थोड़ी देर टीवी देखती हूँ.
After that I watch TV some time.
शाम को 8 बजे मैं किचन में जाती हूँ और डिनर बनाने लगती हूँ.
Then I go to kitchen and make dinner in evening for every members.
और 9 बजे हम लोग डिनर करते हैं.
Then we take a dinner at 9 o'clock.
और फिर मैं थोड़ी देर डिनर करने के बाद मैं थोड़ी देर टहलती हूँ.
After that I work some time.
After
I
taking
making tea. No, making food.
after dinner करने के
Dinner,
बाद
then after taking dinner, I work sometime.
I work for some time. Okay.
I
फिर
work
मैं
for,
सोने चली जाती हूँ.
then go to bed
and और सो जाती हूँ.
and go to sleep.
ठीक है. तो ये था. अभी और डेली रूटीन हो गई दोनों.
Okay.
You know, this is really very great. If anyone wants to practice in English, of course they must do this. Of course,
Yeah.
if you have anything to speak, at least you know that you can present tense. So you can speak every day your daily routine, your third person daily routine, so that you can get know that okay, what is the difference between plural subject and singular subject. Sometimes we just get stuck. Oh, should I speak with s word or without s? So it's happened. So if you speak every day, you can, of course, you can able to speak your daily routine as well as your third person daily routine. So this is all, and of course, and I also make this. I also make my student do this. So they are practicing every day. Now they are able to speak a little bit. Whenever I ask them, okay, tell your daily routine. So they just speak without taking 1 minute.
Okay.
This is all.
Are you taking class
Yeah, I
online?
take online.
Okay, that's great.
So that is really very great that you didn't stuck today. You replied all the question with great.
Okay,
So
you give me feedback. I'm doing right away or not? Yeah,
yeah, of course, there is no problem with your this thing. And suppose now you have to start from basic. I always ask all the people that you just start from the basic. Don't think about so many things at the same time. Whatever you know, you just try to speak. Suppose whatever I asked the question and you replied, so there is no problem. Of course, I can say that your daily routine, your present tense is okay. So you just start speaking every day. Whenever you get time, you just say that okay, what do I do every day? Whatever you do every day, you just describe. Whatever your mom, your dad, your brother, your friend does, you can describe their daily routine. So by this way, of course, you one day you will realize that yes, I'm able to speak whatever. And for if I talk about situational English, suppose I'm here, I can describe that I'm talking to you, I'm sitting on the stair, my mom is downstairs, and my brother is in his room, he is watching TV. So this is all. Like suppose I have done my breakfast, of course I can say I have done my breakfast and I have taken shower. Now, if I talk about future, suppose I can speak in future that okay, after talking to you, I will take dinner, I will take rest in the evening, I will go to market. So this is future. So there is no like if you speak, then you get to know that okay, this is the technique to use all this structure and is to speak. And if you don't speak, so you always get confused that okay, what should I speak? What shouldn't I notice? What should not speak? So this happens.
you are right, sir. When I live alone, so I make sentence. Mm, I make sentence, but someone ask me like you ask me rapid fire, so I repeatedly answer to you. But when I make sentence at home in alone, so I get stuck and what should I say and what is called that they and this word meaning, so I get stuck sometimes. It happens for me.
Yeah, even if I talk about, people say that I forget words, I forget so many things. Don't use any advanced vocab, but like who everyone knows about come, go, eat, and stroll. Everyone knows basic words. So you just use these words. There is no problem with this. Now because we don't have so much content, we don't have so many words, so we can start from this, and of course everything will come to you automatically when you start speaking. So you can add anything, any advanced structure, any advanced vocab in your conversation, and by this way you will be fluent in English. Yes.
Yeah, right,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir. That today's video.
Thank-
Okay.
yeah,
And next
yeah,
time
I
after.
say thank you. Okay, okay. You ask me next time past present tense, past tense.
Okay, I will tell you how to make any story. And this story, if you get to know some structure about the story, so you will be able to speak your past activities, whatever you have did, whatever you have done. So you can speak that. So this is really very amazing. Then you realize that yes, I'm able to speak my past, present, future. There is no problem.
Yeah,
So
I can understand every situation and every sentence when someone conversation when someone do yeah does conversation, yeah, I can understand. But when it comes to my speaking, so I get scared. I
because
don't
we
know
don't
how
have
to
habit.
because of practice.
Yes, yes, yes. We don't have a habit. And if we speak like 10 minutes, 15 minutes every day, then this thing make us fluent in English. I'm telling you. Now
Yeah,
we force ourselves. Now in the beginning, we force ourselves, okay, just speak, and we feel bored. And then, okay, leave it. I'm not going to speak this and that. But if you practice like for 10 days, then you know you love making a story, you love telling your daily routine, you love where you are going to explain all the thing around you, what is going on, then you love speaking in English. But in the beginning we just feel bored and we just think that okay, it's very very tough, it's really very like complicated, I'm not going to speak, so they just make excuses. So we don't have to do this.
Yeah, it happens for me.
Yeah, with everyone.
I get bored sometimes. I don't feel like reading book.
Yes, happens. So
Yeah.
instead of writing and reading, just run your, like you just force your mind that okay, today, like every day, whatever I did, so whatever I do, so I'm going to explain. Just think and I speak, because you know the structure. Structure is only one, like subject plus verb first form. So you just recall and speak. And I haven't told you about past structure. So of course, one day I will tell you. Then you will be able to speak your past activity. Future you already know, I think. However, I will make you practice on future as well.
Yeah, I know grammatic rules. Every grammatic rules I know. Structure, even structure, I know. But it comes to speak, I get stuck because I don't have a habitual, so that's why.
Yes. So don't worry. I'm here. I will make you. I will force you to speak. I will make you rapid fire every day. If you have time, so of course there is no problem. So we will do this. Of course, we will be able to speak in English. Thank you so much, ma'am. That
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
bye.
Okay.